In this video, you will learn how to change your LLC address in Massachusetts. Review the Massachusetts requirements. Visit the Massachusetts Secretary of Commonwealth Division Corporation website under the process for changing your LLC's address. Obtain the correct form. Download and access the Certificate of Amendment form or update the Change of Address form depending on what type of address you are changing for your LLC. Complete the form. Enter your LLC's legal name, current address, new address and any other information you need. Make sure all the details are correct to avoid any delays. Prepare the filing fee. Check the Massachusetts Corporation Division fee website to schedule a filing fee and arrange your payment. Submit the form. File the completed form and payment online using the Massachusetts website or by mail. Update any other records. After you are approved, update your new LLC address with the IRS, bank, licensing board or any other businesses that you keep in contact with. Now you know how to change your LLC's address in Massachusetts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.